8 necessary products that I always keep with me while going somewhere. Hello, I am Anwesha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you 8 products that I always keep with me, rather 8 skincare products that I always keep with me while traveling or while going somewhere. So these are the 8 products that I always keep with me while going somewhere. And these are the products. I have selected the products that are from my videos. Like I have reviewed each product, and I will just give a gist of this. So every detailed review of each product is there in my channel, and I will surely provide all the links in the description box. So these are the products, and if you want to know why I keep this with me or why it is necessary, you should also keep it with you, then just keep on watching this video. So starting with the video, at first only I told you that I have 8 products with me. So these are the 8 products that I have with me, and these are the 8 products that I always keep with me while traveling. So why I keep these 8 products, these 8 skincare products? Because we all do need skincare every day, and while going somewhere it becomes more important to take care of our skin, because we want to, like, we are going somewhere for vacations, for traveling, we want to click pictures and all. So it's basic things, right? So we all should take care of our skin before going somewhere, and in that travel routine we do take care of our skin most. So these are the basic products that I have with me. So starting with the first product is this one. This is a face wash from the brand Plum. This is their green tea face wash, green tea pore cleansing face wash. I have reviewed this face wash. The review is on my channel. Why I like this face wash? Because this is particularly for acne prone skin, and the texture is really good. I really like the texture. Let me show you. This is the texture. These do have minute granules in it. You can see green granules in it. So this do exfoliates the skin pretty well as a face wash also, and as a little exfoliator also. Okay, so this is a nice face wash for daily basis, and the texture is good. This do not enhances my acne. Like in a traveling routine, always I prefer to use a face wash or a skincare that perfectly suits my skin, because I do not want any unwanted pimples, unwanted acne that time. So this is the face wash that I like very much while traveling, because of the texture, because of the ingredients in it. The main ingredient is green tea, and there are many ingredients in it, so I really like the product very much. With the face wash, I do carry this product. This is the Underarm exfoliator from the brand Sinha. I have reviewed this product. You can check the detailed review on my channel. So this is a Underarm detox exfoliator, which is really a great exfoliator. This exfoliates the underarm pretty well. In an emergency, a tip for you, in an emergency you can also use it as a body, like a body exfoliator or that sort of thing. So this comes in this kind of texture. Let me just show you the texture once. This is the thing, a sky blue sort of exfoliator. This is an exfoliator come mask. You have to just apply it, scrub it, and you have to just keep it on your underarms or on your skin, and then you have to just wipe it off. I really like the ingredients present in this, and the thing is that this is a brand, Sinha is an intimate hygiene brand, and I have tried many products from Sinha, their stand and pee, their intimate wash, their razor, facial razors and all. So this is a product that is, I really like this product, and I always want to keep it with me while traveling, and in my home also I really like to use this product, because this gives a nice exfoliation, nice dead skin removes from our underarms, because we always, like while traveling, we wear sleeveless tops, tank top, noodle strap tops. So for that we always need a nice care for our underarms. For that thing, this exfoliator is really good. This do removes the dead skin totally and gives a brighter and lighter underarms. The next thing, the third thing, is this one. This is the Sinha Underarm No Mess Razor. This do comes in 5 units. This pack is of 5 units, and this is how it looks. So this is a basic small razor, and this is very much handy, and this is quite travel friendly. So I really like to carry this razors for my underarms, because the hair of underarms grows a little faster compared to our body hairs, so our underarms do need us shaving more frequently compared to our body. So I really like to keep this razor with me, while like it is quite handy. You can just drag in a single drag, you can just shave it off, and this do maintains the pH balance of the skin, and this do gives without any cut. The razor is really good. It do comes with this kind of comb with which the comb will first comb the hairs and then the blade will cut it off, so which is really a good thing. And this razor is really handy and it looks quite cute, unlike the regular razors which are not that great looking. So this is quite good looking, and at a first attempt people won't find that this is a razor, so which is really a good. So this comes in a 5-unit pack, and this is how the cardboard box looks. And yeah, that's all about this razors. The review is already there on my channel. So coming back to the next product that I have, the next product is a care that we should do after washing or after exfoliating, that is taking care of our face, like moisturizing. I do take care of my body with this moisturizer. This is from Biotique, their Bio Morning Nectar moisturizer. The detailed review of this moisturizer is there on my channel. So this gives a flawless skin, a soft skin, and the fragrance is really good. I really like the fragrance of this. This is how it looks. This is the texture of it. This is not runny, neither very much thick. So this is a soft moisturizer for everyday moisturization, so which is really a good thing, and I really like this moisturizer a lot. I do use it every day, and I do like to carry this while traveling, and the bottle is quite handy and travel friendly. This comes with this kind of cap, not a pump cap. While generally the pump cap, it sometimes happens that it do pumps out from the bottle and it just splits in the bag, but in this one it won't happen. So I really like this moisturizer a lot. The next thing is taking care of our underarms. I do take care of my underarm with this serum. This is the Sinha Underarm Depigmentation Serum. This is a serum with 99.9% silver flakes in it, as you can see. This is a watery serum. As you can see, this is a watery serum, but this too blends and this too like absorbs in the skin pretty well. You just have to apply it on your underarms and you just have to leave it, and it will get absorbed within a few seconds. And this is, the fragrance is quite good. I really like this, and this too gives a depigmented underarms, as we all, like 99% of the people have pigmentation problem in their underarms. So this is a depigmentation serum that one should use, a depigmentation serum to remove pigmentation from the underarms and to make their underarms lighter and brighter. So for a bright underarms, I really prefer this one. The next thing is taking care of our face, which is quite important. For my face, I carry this Garnier serum. This is their Garnier Light Complete Serum, Vitamin C serum. Vitamin C do gives a glow to our skin. This comes with this kind of dropper in it, and this is compared to the, let me just put it few more drops. So comparing with the underarm serum, this is quite thick compared to the underarm serum, but it is not that thick that it will stay or something like that. So this is how it get absorbed in the skin. This will also take quite few seconds to get absorbed in the skin, and vitamin C do lightens the scars, pimples, spots, and vitamin C do gives a glow to the skin. So for a glowing skin, I do prefer this vitamin C serum from Garnier. So this is it. Talking about the next product that I have is this one. This is a lip balm from the brand Maybelline, their Baby Lips lip balm. This is how it looks. And after applying this, this is how it gives the color. As you can see, orangish tint it do gives, and it too like gives a cooling effect to the lips. So I really like this lip balm a lot because it do gives a cooling effect, a minty effect to the lips, which is quite refreshing, and I really like the tint of this. If I am not using a lipstick also, then I can just apply this and good to go. So I really like this one, and this is from the range Bright Out Loud. So this is how it looks. So I didn't like this. Talking about the last product that I have with me is this one. This is from the brand Sanfi. This is their Underarm Antiperspirant Deo Cream. This is a Deo Cream. If I do not want to carry a deodorant, like a deodorant becomes the size of the deodorant is big compared to this. This is quite handy, and this comes in this kind of tube. So I can just take it out, and this is how it looks. This is the color of it, a sky blue color. And just applying this is how it, like, I have taken a lot of amount. You will just need a drop amount, not even a pea-size amount. So you will need very less. So you can just apply it and you are good to go for a refreshed underarm with a fragrance, with a good fragrance, with a refreshed underarm. The fragrance is really good. So you are good to go. And I have also reviewed this in my channel, so you can check the detailed review. The ingredients are good, the fragrance is good, this stays for a quite long time. This also maintains the pH balance. It won't darken your underarms, which is really a good point. It won't darken your underarms. So talking about everything, the brands that I have today talked about is Sanfi, Biotique, Maybelline and Plum. I have chosen 4 brands and I have chosen their products. So talking about these products are the products that I really want to carry with me while traveling. And talking about the brand Sanfi is a cruelty-free brand. It is paraben-free, free from chemicals, free from sulfates, free from mineral oil, which is really a good thing. Plum also the same thing, and Biotique is really good. So every brand, and Garnier, the serum is really good from Garnier. So everything I have showed you are the products that I really like very much while using them. I have used them and I really like these products very much, and hope you all will also like this product, and hope you all will also try these products out. So that's all about today's video. Bye bye till the next video.